Shaving a long-haired cat at home can help reduce matting, shedding, and keep your feline comfortable, especially in hot weather. However, it requires patience, the right tools, and care to avoid injury or stress. Here's a step-by-step guide to shave a long-haired cat at home. Trim your cat when they are calm, ideally after a meal or play session, when they are more relaxed. Gently pet and soothe them to create a sense of comfort and safety before you begin grooming. Start by gently removing any tangles with a dematting comb. Be slow and careful, so you do not hurt your cat. If a mat is too tight, carefully cut it out without touching the skin. Place your cat on a non-slip surface, like a rubber mat, to help them feel safe and steady. If needed, you can gently wrap your cat in a towel, leaving only the area you want to shave exposed. This keeps them calm and prevents sudden movements. Cat clippers make shaving easier and safer by gently cutting through thick or matted fur without hurting the skin. One-Eisel Quiet Cat clippers are low noise, cordless, and safely trim matted or long fur with ease. Start by gently running the clippers along your cat's back, following the direction of the fur growth. Take your time and go slowly. In the beginning, avoid shaving sensitive areas, like the face, belly, and legs until your cat is more comfortable. Use a calm voice and offer treats to help keep your cat relaxed during the process. If your cat is scared of the clippers or they are too loud, you can use blunt scissors instead. Pet Magazine scissors are safe, sharp, and easy to handle, perfect for trimming body fur and sensitive areas with accuracy. If your cat becomes stressed or upset during shaving, it's best to stop and try again later when they are calmer. Throughout the process, offer treats and gentle praise to help them stay relaxed. Once you are done, carefully check their skin for any redness, cuts, or irritation. If you notice any problem, apply a soothing, vet-approved spray or contact your vet for advice. You can follow some extra tips to shave a long-haired cat at home. When shaving your cat, always be careful not to shave too close to the skin, as cats have very delicate and thin skin that can be easily injured. Only shave when necessary, such as in cases of severe matting, hygiene problem, or on your vet's recommendation. If your cat is aggressive, fearful, or extremely anxious during grooming, it's best to seek help from a professional groomer or consult your veterinarian to avoid stress or harm.